Alright guys, we just came in from the Sky Ranch and we're going to take a little quick walk through this mall. We've never been here before, but we're going to try to show it the best we can. Extremely busy today. More people than I've seen in most malls over the last few months, probably because of the holiday. So let's do a walk. Let's go in.
Well, Camcorder is, I think it's like an automotive accessory part store, Motor World. So anyway, I'm kind of surprised. November 2nd, 2019. We're in the mall, walking around a little bit. I guess there's a toy store, kids toy store. What does it say? Toy Kingdom. Toy Kingdom. Yeah, it's like Toys R Us in the U.S., but I think they went bankrupt. I'm not sure. Spider-Man. So anyway, this mall is looks like an older one. I don't know when it was built, but looks like an older mall. Pretty much one level of stores. I saw some stores on the third level too, but there's not a whole lot. I guess we're coming down here in the yeah, we're coming out here in the food court again, right? Well, food court is actually upstairs. So
Alright, so let me explain that. The food courts are upstairs. The food court upstairs has more traditional Filipino stuff, Filipino foods. Downstairs here on the main level, it looks like there's more like franchise store, like McDonald's, Jollibee, Kenny Rogers, Burger King, Pizza Hut, even we saw some of there. So the main food court upstairs, and down here you have a mix of stores and fast food restaurants. So let's keep on moving.
what do you say?
I said this mall is quite busy.
Yeah, it's really busy. I mean, I don't know if it's because it's Saturday and holiday and everybody is out.
Oh, it's because of the All Saints days.
Yeah, maybe. And then when you compare it to U.S. malls, they're empty nowadays.
Oh yeah.
There's no people. Amazon.com is what killed it. I guarantee you.
People in America are buying
What?
through online.
Yeah. Sorry guys, it's quite noisy here, but we're trying to walk through here. We just had lunch here earlier at McDonald's, and we're just going to walk through here a little bit and see. Yeah, it's crazy busy here today. Crazy busy. There you got SM Appliance Store. They have TVs, appliances, electronics. Pretty decent store actually. Watson is a pharmacy here. Sale?
Sales.
Yeah. They have sale here, and you can order it on Lazada for half the sale price.
It's almost 100. It's
Yeah.
190.
Yeah. Dunkin' Donuts, my favorite store to get a morning coffee. Yeah, the cinema is up there. Let's see. You can see it up there. A guest store. Here's another jolly. Here's an. Huh? Yeah, I don't know. Here's a second Jollibee. Yeah, right here. Inasal, famous for its barbecue and its chicken, and I actually like Inasal chicken. That's pretty good. I can eat that. Here's another SM store.
Why there's a lot of people right here? It's because it's Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday today. A lot of people are out of work, but it's also a holiday. And it's about 3 p.m. Yeah, they have 3 KFC stores here. But the layout of this mall is totally different from like Clark and Tarlac. This one is just one long stretch of aisles, and then
It's more bigger than SM Park.
yeah, but SM Park has stores in 3 levels. This one is 1 level, except for there's a food court on the 2nd level, and the movie theater is on level 3. Otherwise, there is no difference. I'm surprised to see H&M. H&M was founded in my home country. By a Swedish guy, I think. And now it's all over the world. So apparently he's doing fairly well. And there you got another Ace Hardware. What?
SARS border.
SARS border? What is that? Oh, Sachs Burgers. No, I don't know. Never seen it before. Never seen it before. China Bank has an office in here. Actually, the first bank I see in there. Oh, coffee smells good. Huh? Yeah. Coffee bean, tea leaf.
Ah, coffee.
That's where I had coffee the other day. Yeah, it was all right. It was good.
All right, we are nearing the end of our little walk here. SM Mall, is that some of the largest malls? Is that a large mall in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. There's plenty of them. I mean, we have featured a few of them. Clark, Tarlac, what else? We do. San Fernando, well, that's it today. But we walked through a few of them. And what amazes me is that the malls in Philippines are definitely alive. There is so many people all the time walking around.
Alright guys, that was like a quick little walkthrough in the mall here. We are going to sign off for now. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and we'll see you at the next video.
Yeah.